It's just me, Deja D, back at it again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing today? It's 4th of July today. I'm going over my mom's house. My grandma, my grandpa gonna be there. They're gonna meet my boyfriend. But today I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. I don't know if we're gonna be talking about too much because maybe let's just talk about. There really ain't much to talk about. I don't know what kind of look I'm doing. I think I'm just doing a like natural beat look. We're gonna see. My hair is back. The curls are back, y'all. Look at these curls on camera. They look good as fuck. They look really good on camera. Really good. Let me show y'all the product that I use because you're probably gonna be like, girl, what? So where'd you get that from? It's the curl. Let me show you the curly. It's by Curly Kids. I got it from Sally. Have y'all ever noticed that? Correct me if I'm wrong, but everyone says it like Sally's, right? But when you look at Sally's, it don't have an S at the end. It's just Sally. So it's just Sally, or is it Sally's? I could have sworn Sally's was Sally apostrophe S, and that's how it's always been. But it's just Sally apparently. I don't fucking know. Mandela effect. Anyway, Curly Kids. It's the mixed texture hair care developed for curly, kinky, coily, wavy, and frizzy hair. It's a custard for kids. It literally looks like it's like a custard, a gel. And I know that when I try, they give you little sample kids. I got little sample kids products and they always feel so good in my hair, and I was just like, what better to use in your hair than kids products, because kids be rough on their hair, and I feel like their hair products gotta have a little bit of hold to it. So that's what I got, and it works pretty good. I mean, look at these curls, they look nice. So you for me. Okay, so while my edges are melting into my forehead like we so want them to do, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So now I haven't moisturized my face. I'm moisturizing my face with the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. It's my favorite moisturizer. I really wish I could listen to music while I'm talking to y'all and everything. But YouTube be hating, so whatever. But I put a little red and blue clip in, for the 4th of July, Okay, so let's prime our face now. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, fancy. For those of you guys who are new here or don't know me, let me introduce myself. My name is it's Lola. Say hi to Lola. I'm a rabbit mom. I have 2 rabbits. I have a baby rabbit, and I have Lola, who is 2 years old, about 2 years old now. And I love them both dearly. They both get on my nerves. Lola, I'm sure Lola wants to beat her little sister's ass, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, after I do that, I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows. I'm using the LA Colors Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to carve out my eyebrows, because they don't look like much now, but when I carve these babies out, they be cute. So let's go ahead and do that. So I was sitting around one day and I was just thinking to myself, like, this is the last year I've really lost myself a little bit. I've really lost myself. Well, not in the beginning of quarantine, but towards the end of quarantine, I started to lose myself a lot. Like, I really stepped into adult mode. Like, I graduated college and everything, so I haven't been going to school or anything like that. All I've really been doing is working and working and working and working. And I was telling my boyfriend, like, I do a lot of, like, in my everyday life, I do a lot of things that I just don't want to do. Like, my life consists of things that I just don't want to do. You know what I mean? And, you know, it's like, we always say, well, you know, that's adulting, you know. But is it really, though? Is it really adulting? If I'm just, like, cruising through life and cruising through life, you know, letting the wind take my sails and me not steering my boat, is that really what I'm, like, placed on this earth to do? You know what I mean? And it's been hard for me to think about what it is that fulfills me, because my job doesn't fulfill me. I just, you know, you just show up to work. You show up your 8 hours at work to get money and to survive. But, like, when do we stop surviving and when do we start living? You know what I mean? And I'm trying to figure out what it is I want, and I guess, or what it is I want to do in life. And I guess the only way to start doing that is to diving into things and start doing stuff. Like, if you continue to stay stagnant, you'll never find out what it is you want to do, what it is that your life purpose is, and you'll just be unhappy, you know? So I'm trying to move my chess pieces, I guess you could say, and stop skipping my turn, you know? Sorry for all the damn analogies. I love analogies. I love a good analogy. I just love it. But yeah, just trying to figure that out. Whatever. I have a lot of different interests. I feel like I'm, like, speaking into the mic, like, hello, hi y'all, hello. Oh, I done made my damn mirror foggy. I'm doing it. Okay. My skin looks good though. Oh my god. 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 Okay. So I'm trying to figure out what foundation I'm gonna use today, because I feel like I have a summertime tan, but at the same time I feel like I'm the same color I always am. And I'm one of those type of people that don't change foundation colors in the summer. I know, it's bad. I think I'm gonna use the Maybelline 24-hour foundation in 330 Toffee. I like this foundation. It's a little dark, so I was just like, this is great for my tan. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use this today. Let's just, like, put this on my skins. Oh, I wanted to use concealer first. The e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color medium beige. I'm gonna put mine in a triangle underneath my eyes, because this is what looks best for me. I know y'all like that little TikTok trend of just putting it in specific places, but honestly, this looks best for me, so this is what I'm doing. I'm taking a little beauty blender. I don't like this concealer either, I don't think. I don't know. That's why I like putting it underneath my skin, underneath my foundation, because I don't like it too much. I don't know. I feel like it separates and does, like, weird things. I'm not a big TV watcher. I literally have everything though. I have Hulu, I have Netflix, I have Disney Plus, but I'm not a big TV watcher anymore. Like, I'm a big YouTube watcher, and even then, I have not been watching YouTube like I usually do, and there hasn't been anything too spectacular on YouTube. I'm gonna go in with this concealer. It's the Morphe concealer in the color Fudge. Right now I'm going in with powder. This is the Makeup Revolution powder, setting powder in Banana Deep. This is what that is. This is what this is. I'm just setting everything in place. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. This is in the color 360. And I'm using that to bronze my face. And I'm gonna go in with 330, which is my actual color, and I'm gonna use that to blend basically everything in. Blend everything in, take the powder off my face, all of the above. I'm gonna go in with this bronzer. It's like a bronzer, it's a big bronzer, but I use it as a blush kind of. It's by Bobbi Brown. I think this is Bobbi Brown. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. I'm also gonna deepen up that contour a little bit, just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with the Danessa My Bricks Dew Wet Balm. It's in hot water. It's basically the same color as the bronzer I just used, but it's really looks like your skin is wet when you put it on. It's so pretty. I like it a lot. Look at that Dew Wet Balm. Look at that. Y'all see it? I hope y'all can see it on camera. It's so pretty. I love it a lot. Y'all see the sheen? It's cute, huh? It's so pretty. I like it a lot. Okay, so you're gonna take a liner brush of some sort. Here's my liner brush. So I want to do a very subtle, like a subtle freaking American flag type eye. Blue here, red here, and then stars in the middle. That's what I'm thinking. So like, y'all gonna see. So right now I don't have a dark blue eyeliner or anything, so I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Foul Mouth, and it's a really dark blue. It's a really dark blue. And we're gonna start off with the like a nice like wing here. And we're probably gonna like set it with a blue eyeshadow. I'm using the Super Beauty eyeliners. This one's in Cherry Bomb. And it's just a red liner. Just a red liner. Connect the red. So then now I'm gonna go in with little stars. I'm using Super Beauty's white and Space Panda. Sorry, y'all, I'm like really focused and I'm not talking to y'all at all. But yeah, what I'm doing, I'm using a dotting tool and I'm using the white and I'm just making like little splotches. It's not necessarily like any like stars or anything. I feel like they give the illusion of stars, but they're not stars. Y'all see the vibe. Y'all see the vibe. But yeah, y'all can definitely take your time and make stars. I could definitely take my time and make stars, but I don't really care too much. On my bottom lash line, I'm going in with a white eyeliner. I don't know where this one's from. Just go with the white eyeliner. I don't know where this one's from. I have blue mascara. This is from L'Oreal, and it's in the color Cobalt Blue. I'm gonna set, I almost forgot, I have to set this eyeliner because it's a cream lipstick. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette, and I'm gonna go in with Yazidi. This one, it's a blue color. I'm gonna go in with that on my shadow line just to set it so we don't have nothing weird. Okay, y'all, so I am back. All I did was I put some lashes on, some random ass lashes, and I put the blue mascara on the lashes so that they can be blue. I put some clear lip gloss on. This is the Max brand. It's in everybody's favorite beauty supply store. It's just a clear gloss. I just put that on, put some earrings on, put my shirt on, and then I also sprayed my face with the Maybelline Lasting Fix. And let me show you guys my outfit for 4th of July. I'll show you guys the outfit. So yeah, these pants are thrifted, and I just put the little chain detail. This shirt is from Shein. Isn't it cute on the back? I love the back. And then I have just a little sports bra on, and yeah. And then I'm gonna wear some tennis shoes, probably these, but I might switch it up because it's dirty out there. But I probably just put these on. Yeah, I'm gonna put these on. And then just a little white bag. Either this one or this crochet one my mom made me. I don't know. Probably this one though, because it goes better. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, all of that good shit. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified every time me make a video every 6 months, you know, because that's the consistency I'm going on. But we're gonna try to be more consistent, you guys. But yeah, remember to stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay positive. And I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye. So I kind of wanted to show you guys this up close. It's cute. It's giving very much like Independence Day, July 4th. Like, I rep the flag. But it's cute. It's like giving. It's very much giving. Look at this highlight. She showed up for the assignment and she aced the assignment. I gave the assignment. I am the assignment. Hello. Okay.